Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. पूरा अंधेरा है बिकॉज 3 बजे है, 3:15 बजे हुए सुबह के, एंड आई एम लिविंग to my favorite destination.
It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again.
तो मैंने थोड़ा सा व्लॉग बनाया था when I left. बहुत अंधेरा था and I had too many things in my hand. तो मैंने नहीं बनाया कुछ आगे का व्लॉग लाइक एयरपोर्ट से लेके, बट यार some few clips you must have seen by now. थोड़ा मैंने कोलाज करके ऐसे मैंने कुछ बनाया है तो you have seen it by now. Yeah, so I reached my ससुराल बोलोगे क्या बोलो समझ में नहीं आ रहा, because every year I am in Goa. Like पता नहीं क्या है मेरे नसीब में, I don't know, I don't believe in universe, but I'm always in Goa every year, like somewhere in November, December or somewhere in January, Feb. So yeah, next year be I'm there. I'm coming Goa. We have a few of my friends are flying down, so I'm in Goa next year, Feb, March or something. Let's hope. But I am in this beautiful place. This is a beautiful villa. There has a pool. हम लोग ऊपर रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे ऊपर, and thanks to Karan, because of him, I could stay here because बहुत लोचा. Booking.com पे मैंने बुक किया था एक विला एंड एवरीथिंग. We did not pay because उसमें ऑप्शन है कि you can pay it advance or no, you can pay when you reach at the property, but then उधर बहुत issues हो गए. So I was like, I had 2 more options. एक तो मेरी friend का भी घर था, but then it was in Goa Velia and that is really very far to come and travel all again. So we thought about coming for here. It's everything on last moment bookings. पूरा विला का tour you will see in our next video, so do check out that. And all the details of this villa would be in that video as well and this video, तो बिल्कुल देख लेना. अभी हम लोग सो के उठे, हम लोग पहुँचे यहाँ पे करीब 10:30 बजे. 9:30 को हम लोग लैंड हुए, 10:30 तक we were here and it took us 2 hours to settle, eat and पूरा आराम से करना. But now we are heading towards मापसा, कुछ काम है, फिर वहाँ से विल गो ऑन अ बीच और विल डू समथिंग अदर बिकॉज आज का प्लान था विल गो फॉर क्लबिंग एंड ऑल, बट टीटोज बंद हो चुका है.
So we visited Britos and Britos is quite famous for their food और especially the Goan delicacies. और हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे शैक्स अच्छा लगता है शाम के टाइम, तो we were enjoying, we had some beer, some food and yeah, it's all non-veg, so please spare it because गोवा में वही अच्छा लगता है. And here was a small girl who was singing and just see this.
So आज है day 2 and yesterday was bit of okay and amazing night actually. We went to Florentina or something which is in Candolim. So I have made that small video, small pictures which will be there now. तो आप देख लेना because मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ vlog नहीं किया and I was like यार थोड़ा सा time रख देते साइड में कैमरा and will just enjoy myself. And then we went to Britos. Britos is, you know, it's famous for amazing food. And अभी just हम उठे हैं and 2 people need to get the RT-PCR done. So we are going there and getting the RT-PCR done. And let's see. उसके बाद we are going to get into pool. So there's a pool bill. I'll just show you. ये है pool और हम लोग स्कूल में जाने वाले हैं दोपहर में. But now before going to the pool, we are going to go for RT-PCR. RT-PCR के बाद we are going Fat Fish for brunch and let's see how it works. I'm not going to vlog much, but I'll just add some clips so that you can see and enjoy. So there is a problem while you are getting RT-PCR done. यहाँ पे private hospitals में ही करवाते हैं या फिर lab में, government नहीं करवाती है travelers के लिए. So I'm in this Doctors Douglas hospital. I'll just show you. So this is the hospital जहाँ पे RT-PCR करवाते हैं. तो इन दोनों का RT-PCR करवा रहे हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. So we reached Fat Fish ये कंडोलम साइड में है. As we enter, they have this crabs and some oysters. They're fresh ones, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The lobsters.
ये हो जाती है.
Yeah. Alive ones? No, dead ones, huh?
लाइव वो सुबह होता है.
Just came from the pool, had a good shower, and yeah, अभी बहुत plan है. The plan is like अभी room decor करना है, like bride to be and everything. We are going to hang that stuff and everything. And yeah, this vlog is going to be a lengthy vlog because I'm going to combine all the 3 days and make a one vlog. I was thinking of going with 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but नहीं होगा. बहुत हम लोग घूम रहे हैं and I don't want to vlog each and everything. And yeah, so this are some products which is from Sattva. So Sattva is a brand. It is a home-based brand. She is from Dombivli and she has given me these beautiful products. This is Blue Lagoon body moisturizer body wash. This is Sattva ka lavender moisturizer night cream. So this is lip gloss that is of Sattva. It is cherry red. They started a lockdown and the Instagram link is there below. It's here also. You can contact them and I met them through an exhibition. This is the pamphlet. So they are special in homemade stuff that is 100% natural ingredients. They have this soap also which is really nice. It's of Uptim. आप वो भी check out कर सकते हो. And yeah, they have natural ingredient products. There's no sulfate paraben involved in this. Those ingredients are not involved in this, which is really good. And here you can see me sitting down here on the bed and vlogging this. So now we are just getting decorating this thing and that you can see it once it's done. So we just had our dinner and we are going to now clubbing because Anjuna में तो कुछ नहीं है. We visited Slush Cafe which you saw, and this is how the Goa is right now. पूरा शांत है. I don't know if exams are going on or not.
So we visited Anthony's and this is how it was. All DJ and everything. Go ahead and watch.
So it's last day and my voice is gone. And this is a pool which we were there yesterday. This is day 3. Finally we are leaving. And अभी क्या कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता. जो भी आप देख लेना क्लिप में. And let's go. I'll show you the property in another video. So check that out. So just like yesterday it started raining. शाम को हुई थी सिर्फ 1.5-2 घंटा बारिश और अभी वापस चालू हो गई है. The weather is really weird over here and my voice is gone because of that.
आप नॉर्थ गोवा में आए हो तो यहाँ पे ज़रूर आना बिकॉज दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस टू हैव अ ब्रेकफास्ट और ब्रंच. तो दे आर वेरी फेमस फॉर देयर ऑल डे ब्रेकफास्ट एंड पैनकेक स्पेशली, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो फेमस फॉर द चीज़ केक. and walnut pastry. This was recommended by my sister, so हमने order किया. It was really yummy, and this is how it looks actually. Outside setting is really nice. It's live music भी रहता है, view भी अच्छा रहता है, but yeah, it's pretty. So फिर हम लोग आए Zante's में. यहाँ पे ओरिजिनल कैशूज़ जो गोवा से लेके आते हैं, आलमंड्स कैशूज़ यहाँ पे ही मिलता है. It's really very reasonable rate यहाँ पे, and this is the only affiliated store, because आप बाहर से लोकल से लोगे then that would be very different quality.
Now we are heading for lunch in Colina, which is I guess it's near Aguada, and they are be doing a food vlogging, तो उसका अलग वीडियो वाला आ जाने वाला है, so just check that out. So अभी हम लोग कोलिना आ गए हैं, and the view is really beautiful, and there's a sea behind me, and you can check that on another vlog which will be there. स्पेशल फूड ब्लॉग है, तो उसमें आपको पूरा व्यू भी दिख जाएगा. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल with some beautiful music as well. It's a perfect place to have a dinner date, and you can come with your special ones over here. I'm here tagged with my friends. We have the last day of our bachelorette trip. बहुत amazing था, बहुत अच्छा था. We loved it, we enjoyed. मेरा तो गला चला गया because of the ice and rains. But yeah, and basically मैंने ऐसा को बोला कि मैं पूरा टाइम बोल रही हूँ कि यार गोवा में इतने लोग नहीं है, because I guess exams चालू and all, but the Diwali vacations are going to be full packed. So I'll give you some details where you can come, try food, everything, which will there in the description box. So do check out that. And yeah, I'll just see you guys while I'm leaving for airport. So check.
So we were on our way to Mumbai, and flights हमारे सबके delayed और सब mostly सबके cancel हो चुके थे. So airport पे हम लोग 2 घंटा टाइम पास ही कर रहे थे, जबकि इंडिया पाकिस्तान की मैच चालू थी, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ पीपल वर वाचिंग मैच एट द एयरपोर्ट. अब तक तो नॉर्मली शोर शराबा हो जाता था कॉज ऑफ द फ्लाइट्स इशू, बट नो वन डिड दैट. एंड या फाइनली our flight was here. It was small Boeing which came after 2 hours.